Right-click on any object to pick it and start painting with it. Hold Ctrl, then click to delete. Draw or delete multiple objects within a certain brush radius. Automatically switch painted objects, either randomly or in a pattern. Draw straight lines with objects, align to stroke, and tons of other settings. Draw rectangles, either filled or just the border. You can also delete with the rectangle tool. The circle tool also comes with a lot of nice options. You can even change the position or axis of the drawing canvas.